All right, what do we got going on here? Oh no. 3 weeks. 3 weeks? Ugh. How am I going to lose 10 pounds and change my hair and find a dress and tone my biceps in 3 weeks? Jasmine. Yes, Jasmine, my skin savior, sweet, kind, wise beyond her years, Jasmine. She'll know what to do. Okay.
Yeah, I get it. Stop looking at me. I'm calling.
I'm talking to a stuffed. Jasmine, I have a real emergency here. My reunion, 3 weeks. We're talking ex-boyfriends here, Jasmine. I need your help. This is urgent.
It's gonna be okay. It's called TimeWise Repair Lifting Bio-Cellulose Mask. And here's how it works. Just wear 2 masks per week leading up to the reunion. And it's so easy to do. Just put it on after you cleanse, morning or night. Snack a little me time, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, and follow it up with your usual skincare routine. Now listen, even though it's very moisturizing, you'll still want to use your own moisturizer because it includes important additional benefits. Now the mask is infused with a complex of beneficial ingredients. In as little as 2 weeks, you're going to see more firmed, lifted, younger looking skin.
No, 2.
Listen, 2 weeks.
Oh, Jasmine, I hope you're right.
I'm always here for you, girl. You got this.
Okay. We need a lot of help. Step 1, remove mask from packet and unfold. Oh, hello. Remove 1 layer of mesh and apply mask to clean, dry face. Step 2, position mask on forehead, cheeks, nose, mouth, and around the eyes for a perfect fit. Eyelid flaps can be used or removed. Decisions. Gently smooth mask so it's completely fitted to the skin. Oh. Hello. Finally, remove the remaining top layer of mesh and leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is wonderful.
Hey, Mom! Hey, Mom!
Oh, hey kids. Where you going? It's just Mommy. It's called Bio-Cellulose, and it's this pure plant-based material that's derived from coconut water. I know, I love coconut water, but you don't drink it, you put it on your face, right? And it's this like interlocking fabric that is filled with all these beneficial ingredients. And then the mask hugs your face so tight like a teddy bear, right? And then these ingredients stay close to your skin. I don't know what the ingredients are. Probably magic. Jasmine could probably tell you more. I used this mask 1 time. My skin felt moisturized for an entire day. Guess how much it is? 4 for $70. Way cheaper than going to the spa, and it's something you could do from home. Yeah, I'll get you her number. I can text it to you. Oh shoot, the bath water's been on for like 40 minutes. Let me call you back. Okay, bye. Okay, are you guys ready?
Right foot out, left foot pause. Right foot in, left foot stall.
Brandon, stop that.
Wow, Mommy. Radiant, luminous.
Wow.
Right foot out, left foot. Yeah.